Bonjour et bienvenue à Krishang French Learning. Hello and welcome to Krishang French Learning. Today we learn possessive adjectives in French. So friends, let's start. So first we need to know what are the adjectives possessive. These are basically used to show some kind of possession. Like if you want to say that this object belongs to someone, like we can say that this is our house, that is my dog, that is their bag. So, we are showing possession on these objects. If I take an example of a dog, we can say in this way dogs belongs to me. Similarly, if we want to say this in French, it would be mon chien, my dog. This is what we are going to learn. Now, let's learn which adjectives are possessive if the object is masculine singular form. Let's understand possessive adjectives through this table. Whenever the possessor is je, it means I. Whenever something belongs to me, we use my in English. In French, if a subject is masculine, we use mon, my. If we talk about feminine like mother, in French, we use mère. In feminine, we use my mother as ma mère. If we come across anything which is plural with s in the end, we use mes, may in French. For example, we use my parents as mes pères. So, if the possessor is je, my or I, we use mo for masculine, ma for feminine, and me for plural. Here, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that whenever a vowel a, e, I, o, u starting in front of feminine singular, we always use mo, to, so instead of ma, ta, sa. So let's talk about tu. Means your tu will always take to as masculine, ta as feminine, and te as plural. About il and l. As we know that while conjugating the verb il and l, we give them same conjugation. So here we are using the same rule. When something belongs for he or she, we use son, sa, se. Nous is used when something belongs to us. So we use notre means our as masculine, same notre in feminine, and no as plural. Vous means yours. In this case, when something belongs to a person elder than you or to something plural, we use vous. We use votre as masculine, same votre in feminine, and vous as plural. In il and elle, we use leur as masculine, same leur as feminine, and leurs avec s as plural. Let's do one exercise to understand what we learned till now. Masculine, feminine, and plural. In masculine, mon père means my father. In feminine, ma mère means my mother. And in plural, mes parents means my parents. In masculine, ton frère means your brother. In feminine, ta sœur means your sister. And in plural, tes cousins means your cousins. In masculine, son fille means his or her son. In feminine, sa fille means his or her daughter. And in plural, ses enfants means his or her children. In masculine, notre oncle means our uncle. In feminine, notre tante means our auntie. In feminine, notre tante means our aunt, and in plural, nos cousins means our cousins. In masculine, votre père means your father. In feminine, votre mère means your mother. And plural, vos parents means your parents. Next, in masculine, leur ami means their friend. In feminine, leur maison means their house. In plural, leur army means their friends. More than one friend. I hope you had a great learning through this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section. In case you are new to my channel and liked my video, please do share and subscribe my channel also. So that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.